Hello, beer enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a world of hoppy bliss as we explore the best IPA beers. If you're a craft beer lover, you're in for a treat. So grab a pint, sit back, and let's get started. IPA, or India Pale Ale, has been a favorite among beer lovers for centuries. Originating from the British colonial era, IPAs were brewed with extra hops to survive the long journey to India. Over the years, this beer style has evolved significantly, with countless varieties sprouting up from craft breweries around the world. From the classic West Coast-style IPA, with its clear copper color and assertive bitterness, to the hazy New England-style IPA with its soft, creamy texture and restrained bitterness, there's an IPA out there for everyone. But what makes an IPA stand out? It's all about the balance of flavors, the aroma, the mouthfeel, and of course, the hops. Let's dive deeper into this world of hoppy goodness. IPAs are known for their strong hop bitterness and floral, fruity, or piney flavors. The alcohol content can range from average to high, but what's consistent is the prominence of the hop flavor. The color can vary from golden to amber to copper, and the beer is often clear, although unfiltered versions with a hazy appearance are also common. The aroma of an IPA is typically strong and hoppy, with notes of citrus, floral, pine, resin, spice, tropical fruit, stone fruit, berry, melon, etc., depending on the types of hops used. The mouthfeel can range from light to medium-bodied, and the finish is often dry, which helps to accentuate the hop bitterness. Now, let's dive into some of the best IPA beers that should enhance your overall drinking experience. These beers have been carefully selected based on their flavor profiles, brewing techniques, and overall quality. So, without further ado, let's hop into it. First up, we have Pliny the Elder, brewed by the Russian River Brewing Company. This West Coast IPA is our top pick overall. It's made from 4 kinds of hops: Amarillo, Centennial, CTZ, and Simcoe, all contributing to its hoppy bitterness while showcasing flavors of pine, citrus, and florals. What makes Pliny the Elder stand out is its ability to balance these intense flavors with a dry finish, making it a beer that you'll keep coming back to. The beer is named after Pliny the Elder, a Roman naturalist, scholar, historian, traveler, officer, and writer who died in 79 AD while saving people during the eruption of Mount Vesuvius. He had written about a phenomenon called hops in his writings, thus the beer was named after him. Next, we have Two-Hearted Ale, brewed by Bell's Brewery. This brew has been recognized as the best beer by the American Homebrewers Association and Zimmergy magazine. It's our best value pick, created by using 100% Centennial hops, resulting in a hazy orange beer that tastes of bitterness, pine, citrus, and florals. The drink stays crisp and clean with every sip, making it a refreshing choice for any occasion. The name Two-Hearted Ale comes from the Two-Hearted River in Michigan's Upper Peninsula, and the beer is a testament to the beautiful region, with its label featuring a local fish, the brook trout. Looking for a budget-friendly option? Sierra Nevada's Torpedo Extra IPA is our choice for the best budget IPA. Despite its affordable price, it doesn't compromise on flavor. The Torpedo Extra is a revolutionary beer of the Sierra Nevada resulting from the equipment called Hop Torpedo. It boosts the aroma and flavor of hops without causing more bitterness. This beer consists of whole cone hops of Citra, Crystal, and Magnum for its notes of citrus, pine, and herbs. The hoppy aggressiveness is balanced by the 2-row pale and caramelized malts, making it a well-rounded beer that's easy on the wallet. The name Torpedo comes from the unique method of dry hopping that Sierra Nevada developed for this beer, which they call torpedoing. We also have other notable mentions like Hazy Little Thing by Sierra Nevada, Heady Topper by Alchemist, Blind Pig by Russian River Brewing Company, Liberty IPA by Anchor Brewing, Stone IPA by Stone Brewing, and many more. Each of these beers brings a unique flavor profile and brewing technique to the table, making the IPA landscape incredibly diverse and exciting. For instance, Hazy Little Thing by Sierra Nevada is a top seller and our pick for the best hazy IPA. The brew is dry hopped with Citra, Comet, Simcoe, Eldorado, and Mosaic hops, and is served straight from the tank without much filtration to give it silky texture and flavorful fruity notes. This juicy drink is refreshing and keeps the patrons coming back for more. Another standout is Heady Topper by Alchemist. This brew was released in 2003 exclusively to those who visit the brewery in Vermont. Limitedly distributed, it is hard to find, but you should not miss out on this unicorn. As a double IPA brewed with 6 hops, it has an extra hoppy bitter flavor but displays fruity notes. It appears hazy and has a full-bodied mouthfeel because it is unpasteurized and unfiltered. So, what makes IPA beers stand out? It's all about the flavor, aroma, mouthfeel, authenticity, and freshness. The wide spectrum of possible IPA varieties may make it difficult to choose the best of the best, but these factors make good criteria for choosing a favorite. Flavor is a given. With lots of hops crucial in brewing IPA, the flavors from the other ingredients, like the malt and yeast, must go well together with the bitterness from hops. Aroma is another important factor. Different hops have different respective features that affect flavor and aroma. Your favorite IPA should be able to highlight the particularity of the hops used. Mouthfeel is your overall drinking experience. A good IPA should have balance when it comes to its mouthfeel. It should be full-bodied from the mouth, across the tongue, and down the throat, but it should not be disgustingly too much. A hint of sweetness would be nice while still experiencing the hop bitterness of the brew. Authenticity reflects the creativity of the brewer who can modify certain variables of a brew, such as water profile, type of yeast, unique ingredient, or process. Achieving originality can be challenging at the same time because other brewers also have the same access to whatever ingredients a brewer is using. And finally, freshness. It is best to consume IPAs fresh within 2 to 3 months after their bottling before they go through oxidation. The amount of hops in an IPA makes it prone to oxidation, which can make the beer taste stale and the hop character spoiled. Whether you're a seasoned IPA drinker or new to the world of craft beers, there's an IPA out there for you. From the bitter and citrusy to the smooth and fruity, the world of IPAs is as diverse as it is delicious. So, what are you waiting for? Stop thinking and start drinking. That's all for today's video on the best IPA beers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beer-related content. Until next time, cheers.